Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bedazzled this super cute little mini Stanley keychain, guys. I actually got it off Amazon. I will link it down below. I also made a post about it when it was on sale on Prime Days. So guys, look at this. This is how it looks. It's actually pretty big and it also can fit a chapstick. That's what it advertises. So you open it up like this. Yes, it does open, guys. And then you just put whatever chapstick you want. This is one from Bath & Body Works and it fits perfectly, guys. So I know charms are super in right now, so I was like, let me bedazzle this. It is going to be a super easy and quick project, guys. So if you want to learn exactly how to do it, keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to begin by removing the little keychain, guys. It's just a simple little hook. And then I'm going to prep it. So to begin, I'm going to place some napkins on my table because when I do prepping, it does get a bit messy. And with my nail file, I'm just going to file down the whole entire cup, including the edges of the lid. So you guys see me right there filing that white part of the lid. I'm doing the handle too. Guys, everything needs to be filed down. This is going to help to make sure that the rhinestones stay attached to the cup and the results last longer. So once I was done, I grabbed some alcohol wipes and I cleaned the whole entire cup to make sure all that dust was removed and it was ready to bedazzle. So when you are cleaning your cup, make sure all that dust is completely removed. So once I was done prepping and cleaning, this is how the cup looked. So now to bedazzle, I am going to be using a liquid fusion. I'm going to start off with the lid, doing a nice thin layer of the liquid fusion. If I did need to spread it, I did use my toothpick, guys. I am working by sections. And then I went in with some rhinestones, AB rhinestones of the size SS10. And then I did one row all the way around and another row right above it in a honeycomb pattern. And those fit perfectly on that lid. Guys, I always tell you, remember, double check your work and make sure your rhinestones are not overlapping and they're nicely placed onto the surface. So this is how the lid looked once I was done. And now moving on to the cup. I am using this super cute hot pink AB rhinestone. And this is a size SS16 that I'm using as the main size for the cup. So again, working by sections, I applied a nice thin layer of the liquid fusion. And then I started applying those rhinestones all the way around, working row by row. So guys, what I mean by sections is just applying a certain amount of glue, a small amount, because you don't want it to dry out on you. So you have enough time to work with it. Right here, you guys see me get to the edge where the handle is. Those rhinestones fit perfectly, guys. And now again, working by sections, I am doing my second row, going in a honeycomb pattern. As you guys can see there, that means going in between the previous two above, if that makes sense, like a honeycomb, you know, a bee's honeycomb. And then right there in that little gap right above the handle, I did go in with a size SS6 just to fill in that gap. And then I just continued with my rows. So right there, you guys see me do my second row. I did have a tiny little gap that once again I filled in with the SS6. I do have these rhinestones linked down below if you guys want to check them out. That is a mix pack and they were enough to bling out this cup, guys, if you want to check them out. So right here, you guys just continue to see me doing that honeycomb look. I am connecting both sides now that the handle is not in the way and that honeycomb fits perfectly, guys. I did not have to adjust it whatsoever. And then I just continued with the honeycomb on this top area of the cup. So right here, halfway down, you guys can see that honeycomb coming together. It looks super clean, super neat, guys. I just love how it's coming together. Right here, I'm finishing up that last row on that area of the cup. So this is how the cup is looking so far. Now I'm going to bling out that middle part. Once again, working by sections, I did apply that liquid fusion. I spread it with the toothpick and now I'm going to go in with a size SS10. I am doing 2 rows of that, and I am also doing it in a honeycomb. The reason I did not use the SS16 is because I did try it, but there was a gap in between it, so I couldn't do 2 rows of it, and if I did 1 row, it wouldn't look right. So I just went with that smaller size rhinestone, the SS10. Now moving on to the bottom part of the cup, again working by sections. I just went back to the SS16, once again following that honeycomb all the way down. So for this bottom area, the 16 would no longer fit. There was a tiny little gap, and guys, I didn't want to leave it like that. So I went in with the size SS10 once again. That happened to fit perfectly in that tiny little line all the way around, guys. I was tapping it a bit on top just to make sure that the rhinestones were not overlapping that bottom, because I do want them to stay in that cup area, if that makes sense. So guys, look at this, they fit perfectly. And now moving on to that handle. So for the handle, I did continue to use the SS16, applying that liquid fusion once again in the whole handle because it was a pretty small area, so I had enough time to work with that glue. And I just went around the whole handle with the rhinestones. So this is how the handle came out. I went on ahead and did the same thing to the other side, and I let it completely dry for around 48 hours. So these are my results, guys. What do you guys think? Doesn't it look super cute? Oh my gosh. Like I said, I did not do those edges because it's really thin, so it's kind of pointless. Everything came out so cute. Look at the lid, guys. Oh my gosh, it just brings the whole look together. I love that it's removable. Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. This is such a cute little charm for your bag, a keychain. Like I said, I will have them linked down below. I'm gonna put the hook back on because, like I said, it's a keychain. So I just put it back on the handle, guys. Look at that. Stayed on perfect. No rhinestones are falling off. It is completely dry and ready to use, guys. But yes, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.